Guys, welcome back to my channel Proceedinstyle, and this tutorial video is just for all those creators who cannot edit videos on apps, like it takes time for you to edit and all such stuff. That I have a new app, or you can say an app which I use. It's not new, but if you don't know this app, it's an Inshot app which I use for all my videos. So let's get started, guys. Let's see what happens next. Download it from Play Store and you can get this app. So Play Store is here, you can go here, this is sign in, but you can go and tap, and now we have got this same logo app you have to download. Tap on this. Once you download the app, you will get something like this. You don't need to even pay anything. Don't pay anything for any trial or something. Just go back, skip it, and go on videos or photos, whatever you want to edit. I'll show you about the photos, how to edit it. So I take any photo from my gallery. Suppose this is the one photo I have, and we can do collage as well. You can see up here they have given collage maker. We can do that in this as well. Okay, so you can see this photo which I have taken, and you can see what all options are given: canvas, filter, adjust, effect, background, template, sticker, text, cutout, crop, frame, rotate. So everything is there in this. So if you want to take a canvas of Instagram size, you can take this YouTube size, you can take this. Pinch to zoom, you can pinch and zoom your photos. Like if I do like this, it will get zoomed and become in which canvas? It will be in TikTok size canvas. Okay, or 3x4 or Facebook size, or Facebook again. For cover photos you can do this again. You can make this big and keep it like this, that also works. Or any 2x3, 3x2, 235:1, 2.35:1, Twitter size, or 1x2. Okay, I will select here no frame so that it looks beautiful. Okay, and if you want to add any filter, you can use any filter like bright. You can change the intensity of the brightness of or any filter of. Okay, it's up to you what you have to put. So I have changed the intensity in this way, and I said okay. Over here there's this tick mark over there, and adjust is also there. You can adjust the lightning if you want more, if you want less, you can adjust it this way. Okay, you can adjust the contrast as well. You can adjust the warmth. You can use this tint, saturation if you want, or you can say this is paid, I think. So this, like if you want this, it's in pro, so don't take this. Fade you can use. Okay, and many others. Like you can have everything, highlights, shadow, colors can also change as per these colors chosen. Okay, shadow also you can keep a green shadow, pink, orange shadow, any shadow. You can see the colors are changing. Okay, but I don't want anything right now, so I'm just put a tick and you're back with it. If you want to adjust, I adjusted it. Now it is about any effect you want to give. I say glitch, so it gives this effect. There are so many effects which are free of cost. You can use them and it will perfectly work well. Plus you can give a background like this. Background you can give if you want. Anyhow, you can blur the background in different ways, little bit more, fully blur, or you can use any other backgrounds like. Okay, Backgrounds are good. And here is the image part. You can choose any other image. Like if I take this, you can choose any other image like this. So if you want to see how I just do this, background you can keep clear, so it will be looking like this. Okay, so how beautiful. It gives you different styles in a very easy way. Inshot provides you. This is not an ad, this is what I use for my daily videos. So this was about background. This is about unique photo effects. For free you can take it if you want to buy. I have not used it yet. Okay, this I'm showing from my other phone, so that from my phone I can shoot a video. I have signed in on my phone. Obviously I am connected and linked with my email, so this option is only in this other phone. So if you want to put any emoji sticker, there are so many stickers, but take those free ones like our normal stickers. You can put any sticker like this, not ghost. You can say a diamond, you can put it, you can move also, and you can change the size of it also, like this. With 2 fingers you can move it anyhow. This also you can move more big or small. Okay, but we don't require right now, so we are not taking any of these stickers. Next thing is text. Most importantly, text. You can say beauty. You can say beauty. Beautiful. Okay, you can say beautiful. Go on this color bar where you can see a range of colors you can use for this text. I make it beautiful, like pink. I'll give a border of like white. You can see. If you want, you can put some shadow. You can increase it this way, decrease it. You can see the difference in shadows. Yeah, so this way you can do. Or else if you don't want any shadow, it will be up and down shadow. Y is for up and down, X is for sideways, the shadow. Okay, label it. You can give a shadow of black also, it works still. Okay, label it. If you want to simply label with any other color, most probably black, any. So you have different labels. You can use this also. And opacity is also there. How you want it, that is the way it will look. Okay, so you can write this beautiful here, and you can put it anywhere on the screen. Tap it and it will look like this. Okay guys, so next is cutouts. You want to cut out any part of this flower? Nope. If you want, you can cut out any shape. Please retry, they are saying, but you can do it usually. Okay, I'll make a video for cutout separate. This is what we have chosen. We have cropped it. If you want to frame it, you can frame it in this manner, this, whichever you want. I'm keeping it in this square shaped. Frame is done. You can rotate, flip, rotate. Okay, and change the angle also. If you want the angle to be different, you can change it. And also zoom, you can zoom how much ever you want to. Okay, so this is how you can edit your photos in a very beautiful and easy way, just in 5 minutes or 2 minutes also. I'm showing a tutorial, so it takes so long to show each and every thing how it works. So it just takes 2 minutes to actually edit a photo or video on Inshot. So now we're going to do a video tutorial of Inshot in my next video. So stay tuned guys for that video. It's coming after this immediately, so it will help you, and it's really very easy, trust me. and see you right there in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. So if you want to discard this, if you don't want this, you can say save. Wait, first also if you want to discard this, you can use this arrow and there'll be an option for draft or discard. So if you want to keep in drafts, you can choose that. If you want to discard, you can choose that. I don't want anything right now, so I tapped here and directly I want to save. So I'm saving here. So it got saved, guys. You can see. You can share it on other apps, email, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Signal, Facebook stories, Messenger, everywhere. Okay, so it's so easy and quick. Hope you love this video. Let me know in the comments and keep sharing this video to all the creators, to all who cannot edit fast. So this is the app which you can use. Okay, see ya, bye.